We'll guide you through how to make Instagram story sequences. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users want to learn how to create and post Instagram Reels, but find the steps confusing. Beginners especially need clear guidance to understand recording, editing, and sharing features. It helps them create engaging content, grow their audience, and use Instagram more effectively for entertainment or personal branding. First, go to the search bar on your device and type Instagram. Press the Instagram app or website from the results to open it. Once it opens, put your email and password into the login fields to access your account. After entering your details, click the login button and wait for your account to load. When you are inside the app, tap the Reels button to go to the Reels section. Next, look for the straight dot located under the share button on the screen. Once you find it, click the straight dot to open more options. After that, press the sequence button on the top of the screen to begin setting up your reel. Then tap Next to continue to the recording stage. After that, you may click the button in the middle of the screen to start recording your video, making sure the recording lasts at least 3 seconds. Once you finish recording, press Next to move forward. Then tap again on the Next button to proceed to the editing and sharing section. At this stage, you can write a caption to describe your reel, tag people if you want to mention others, or add a location to show where the content was created. Take your time to complete these details carefully so your reel is clear and informative. Before uploading, recheck everything on your screen to make sure your video, caption, and tags are correct. If you notice any mistakes, go back and fix them before continuing. Once you are satisfied with your reel, you may click the Next button to upload it by pressing Share. Wait for the upload process to complete, and then your reel will be visible to others on the platform. Following these steps carefully will help you create and share reels smoothly. With regular practice, you will become more confident and efficient when using this feature to share creative content with your audience online every day.